Making out with braces can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be stressful. To ensure a fun experience, stay relaxed, communicate with your partner about what to avoid, and take it slow. Check for loose brackets and apply orthodontic wax to prevent any poking. Be gentle with kisses, focusing on soft lip contact rather than using too much tongue, and avoid any moves that could lead to discomfort, like biting. Enhance the intimacy by cuddling and whispering sweet nothings while ensuring that both of you maintain good oral hygiene. If you both have braces, don't worry too much about getting stuck. It's rare. And if it happens, just remain calm and untangle yourselves. Lastly, remember to brush, floss daily, and use mouthwash to keep your mouth clean and ready for kissing.